Hey guys, today we're installing OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, and right here we're just booting up from our Ventoy menu, and almost there we go, booted into the installer for language, keyboard, and all that stuff. We're just going to click next, go with the default English US layout, and just going to probe the system a little bit, and just going to click yes here. And before I forget, I apologize for the blurriness of the text. This is the best I could do during the installation process to capture this. Maybe I can tweak something the next time I try this. But anyways, the actual review video is going to have better resolution. You might want to go check that one out, where I actually show you, where I actually review OpenSUSE Tumbleweed and show you all the actual interesting things that set this distribution apart. So anyways, basically just waiting here. And here we're going to select our time zone. We're going to go with New York. From here, we're just going to click next, and now we are going to enter in our username, password, stuff like that. Relatively straightforward, just typing in a password. That's it. Make sure no automatic login, because that would just be horribly insecure. Not going to do anything like that. And here we go. These are the settings we selected for our installation. Pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy here at all, really. I'm going to click next, confirm that. Actually, accidentally hit back at first, but anyways. I sped this part up where you just wait. I sped it up by 6,000%, so it's going a whole lot faster than it actually did when I installed it, but we're almost there. Going to be done just a second, and there we go. Rebooting the system also sped this part up a lot by like 800%, and we're going to be booted right into our newly installed system, and there we go. I'm going to log in and basically just show you the desktop. Not a whole lot else to see here, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and do check out our actual review of OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, because that's where we do the interesting stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in that next video.